Pierre Dandjinou. I'm a Vice President Stakeholder Engagement for ICANN, and then based in Africa, taking care of Africa actually.
If you can just give us a brief of what ICANN is.
Well, ICANN stands for the Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers. Basically, it's about coordinating the unique identifier system of the Internet, and that's what ICANN does.
And what does that mean for Africa?
Well, it means a lot actually, because although Africa today is about 20% usage of the Internet, it's quite important for so many issues of developmental issue. And now the work of ICANN is important for Africa in terms of course, the Internet itself, but the whole, I would say, policy development around it, around those unique identifiers is important for Africa to know about it and also to be part, of making that policy. So in that regard, I believe that it's quite important for Africa to be participating.
So what efforts does ICANN do and your team do in Africa to raise awareness on this?
Well, many things actually. I would just recall that ICANN's presence in Africa actually was triggered by what we call the Dakar Declaration by the African minister in charge of ICTs, who really wanted ICANN to be much more present in Africa, but also Africa to contribute more to ICANN. That was 2011. Today what we have done is we do have a strategy for Africa, and that strategy calls for two things. It's about, of course, promoting participation to ICANN, but also it's about supporting, I would say, the African DNS industry. So in that regard, our strategy has a few kind of program and projects, and a few of them quickly to simplify what we've been doing in Africa. We set up forums, forum to discuss, DNS, for instance, is quite important. It was the first time that the professionals in that regard are meeting and discussing the issues and ideas, and also collaborating. But we also established, topical workshops that really address, issues such as, copyright issues, the brands, and the domain names, how do you understand those things, and the whole legal issue surrounding those things is important. It was the first time now that people are hearing about those things. We are also building capacity in terms of managing your registries, and also in terms of marketing, and all of those are really bringing now some sort of value added to the whole internet ecosystem in Africa. So we are trying to change, we are supporting actually the ecosystem there. Should always go back to what internet could be for Africa. We are talking about the digital economy, and we believe that Africa can really tap into that one.